Hey, how are you today? So the trench, it's coming along. It's nearly finished the actual construction of the actual base, and you can see I've boarded it all up now. Just got to, finish sanding that and getting it shaped. You can see I put one on the front as well. Now we're just adding all different colours and all different muds and stuff. I got the tree cut down. Yeah, that's how the roots sort of are coming up. So it's just a big pile of mud. And there it's got its front sort of and then yeah, see how that border's good, isn't it? It really just hides up all that work that I did, so you can't see all the zigzagging and all that. It just gives you a nice good surface, and we can just shape it up, sand it up and shape it up, and then we can just give it a really nice black or something like that. But that's how it's coming along. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? Now we can just put some details in. We can put some seating in, and we can do some things on the ground. We can put some grass and foliage and all kinds of stuff. It's pretty cool. That's its tank. And that's a canvas roll I'm going to put in it that I made myself. There's another one I need to paint. This is pretty good. Little mini art T70. One of their really old ones, really basic. But yeah, sort of kind of effective. They're the wheels. So we're starting to get the 24th Panzer built. So that's for the Panzer III. And there's the motorbike that's going to go with 24th Panzer. So yeah, that's just getting the next diorama basing parts ready. And we'll have to finish off this diorama at some point. Got heaps of details, see there, building up on the factory floor that we can install and put in. But yeah, this one is really, one of my better ones so far. Only can improve, but building up these diorama bases. Because my last base was this one that I built for a little desert scene. That was really easy and quick. Didn't take me long. This was one of my first little ones I built. But yeah, it's only going to be improving from there. I'm going to get really good at this. But yeah, so we're just now, putting down some different coloured muds. I just put a lot of red in there, just sort of soaked it in, but that's going to get covered up again. But a lot of you're in your deeper soils, you get a lot of metal that rusts. That's why you get red in the soil. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.